What's up? Welcome back to Cherry Detailing's YouTube channel. Today I got a 2022 Honda Passport. It's been purchased about a week ago, and in order to preserve the life of the vehicle and to keep it in this like new condition, the customer's gonna put a ceramic coating on it, or we're gonna put a ceramic coating on it. This is a 6-year ceramic coating detail. We're also gonna be putting SystemX glass coating on the windows, and right now we're gonna wash the car. After we're done washing the car, we're gonna inspect it to make sure if there's any imperfections that we need to remove. This car is new, but it's been sitting out in the dealership's parking lot, so I'm pretty sure it obtained some water spots and some light micro scratches from probably washing from the dealership's detailers that washed the vehicle. So we're gonna clean it up, wash it, and then inspect it. Then from there, we're gonna assess to see how much we're gonna assess the vehicle, and then we're gonna perform a paint enhancement. Remember, the car's new, so there's no excessive polishing, no excessive cutting. You don't want to work too hard on a brand new car. You want to work smart, not hard. All right, let's continue. I swear, the longest part about ceramic coating details is honestly the prep. Polishing does take a little bit of time, but I mean, we started this at 8:30, and what time is it right now?
8:10.
It's already 10:45. So 8:30, 9:30, 10:30. So it took us 2 hours just to prep this car. So yeah, the preparation stage is honestly the longest. So before we do anything, we're wiping down the vehicle with surface prep from Meguiar's, and then I'm gonna take my light here and I'm gonna inspect the entire vehicle, because remember, this car is new, so we don't want to do too much work on it because we might not need it. So we want to make sure we inspect the entire integrity of the paint, and then from there we tape up what we need to tape up, if we need to polish closer to the black trims or not. So I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna inspect the paint, and then don't forget, we also have to gauge the paint too, because even if we're doing a light enhancement, this car is new. We want to familiarize ourselves with how much clear coat is left, or how much clear coat is there with brand new vehicles, especially with the Honda brand. So that way we can, when we get another Honda vehicle, we have a warm fuzzy feeling of how much clear coat is usually there.